The producers and distributors of Tech AV technical training aids welcome you to this visual training program in the Oxyacetylene Processes series. This is Program 3, in which you will learn the basics of using oxyacetylene equipment in the process of flame cutting. In the following visual demonstrations, you will be shown how to do the following. Prepare a high-pressure cutting torch for cutting steel plate. Make a freehand cut through steel plate. Cut a beveled edge on steel plate. Cut angle iron. And cut steel piping. Steel cutting, or shaping, is a process that can be done in several ways, but none so conveniently as with oxyacetylene equipment in the process called flame cutting. By bringing steel close to its melting temperature and then injecting a controlled jet of oxygen into the molten metal, the steel literally burns or oxidizes, resulting in a cut. For most general-purpose cutting, the tool required is a high-pressure cutting torch, often called a hand torch. In many ways, this device is similar to the welding torch, but there are notable differences. At the working end of the torch, there is a cutting tip, also known as a cutting nozzle. In this example, the nozzle has 6 preheating orifices surrounding a cutting orifice. When a torch is first lit, only the preheating orifices operate. The heat generated from these orifices brings the metal close to melting temperature. Upon depressing the cutting lever, a stream of oxygen passes out of the cutting orifice. It is this stream of pure oxygen that results in the burning of metal. Cutting tips, or nozzles, are interchangeable. Sizes and designs are selected according to metal thickness, metal type, or other criteria. The replacement of a cutting tip is a simple task. A retaining nut is loosened and the tip removed. A replacement tip is selected and inserted into the cutting head. The retaining nut is then secured with a correctly fitting spanner. In this particular torch, which is the commonest type that you will encounter, the mixing of the preheat gases takes place within the tip or nozzle. Nozzles used with this type of torch are stamped with the letters A, N, M. This indicates that the nozzle is to be used with the fuel gas acetylene, and that the gases are mixed in the nozzle. Continuing with the same example, the number 6 indicates the number of preheating orifices. The numbers 1.6 tell us the nozzle size, that is, the diameter in millimeters of the cutting orifice.